Ladies and gentlemen, this guide will provide you with instructions to remove reliable ever download player new.info. The pop-up is presented as some alert that claims you need to update your Adobe Flash Player. However, the problem is that the information presented in such pop-up is absolutely faulty. You need to realize that in case there is a need for update of some component of your Mac operating system, there will be a special warning here in the software update panel. But if there is no need to update anything, there will be a message saying that your Mac is up to date. So first of all, make sure you check this thing carefully. In case you see that your Mac is up to date and this software update window clearly mentions this, then all other alerts such as this one, reliable ever download player new.info, is absolutely fake information that you should not trust. If you proceed with this installation, your browser, your computer in general may be infected. For instance, you may end up installing certain potentially unwanted programs, some fake system optimization software, browser hijackers, adware, things like that. So, point number one, be careful not to tolerate such pop-ups. Now, I recommend that you inspect your available Mac applications, and if you find something suspicious here, right-click on it and move it to the trash. For instance, this Skyscanner app, you may move it to the trash. Now, unfortunately, often the manual Mac analysis doesn't help to fully establish all other threats that may be peculiar to your device. So, scanning your Mac with Combo Cleaner antivirus is a great solution and my recommendation. Download the software through the website combocleaner.com and with the help of this Download Combo Cleaner button. After you do that, start the program from the Launchpad. This is how it looks like. The program will update its antivirus database. Once this is done, click on Start Combo Scan button in order to initiate the scanning and the analysis of your Mac. So at the end of scan, you will see a detailed report about all threads that were found by Combo Cleaner during its scanning. You may click on Review Results, and you will find the exact location where the thread currently dwells on your Mac. So you may access this particular location and remove the thread manually, or you may do it automatically, however, only with the premium version of the software. Thanks for watching.